Direct sinabi mo kanina parang ayaw mong gatasan yung kasikatan ng Ashless for this movie. How will you make sure na itong movie na to ay hindi maging quote nga ng quote fan service lang? And makita talaga yung lalim, not just their acting prowess, but the story itself.
Ayun lang, parang focus lang talaga dun sa craft itself. I'm sure naman meron pa rin scenes na kakikiligan ng mga fans nila, pero ayun nga, ang mas priority ko is how to tell this story truthfully and beautifully. And yun nga, yung pamantayan ko dito is, pag halimbawa, 5 to 10 years after maipalabas ng pelikulang ito, at let's say, humupa na yung hype ng love team nila, sana naman hindi, pero let's say, mangyari nga yun. Kumbaga, kung papanoorin siya ng casual viewer na hindi part ng fandom nila, magagandahan pa ba sila sa pelikula yun. So yun, I'm trying to make the answer yes.
Paano yung nangyari sa Maynila yung papuri for that movie? Hopefully, mangyari ito sa Minamahal.
Oh, actually, nung pinitch ko yung project sa Mulak family tsaka kay Ashley, di ba sabi ko, if there's one word na magdi-describe ito sa project na gusto kong maging siya, I want it to be timeless.
Thank you, Direk and Ashless. Congratulations.
Thank you po.